If you've ever captured footage on your phone only to find it shaky and jarring, fret not. We'll walk you through the steps to smooth things out and make your video more enjoyable to watch. To begin, fire up your Capcut editing application and import the video you want to stabilize. Once loaded, you'll likely spot a wobbly mess. That's where our stabilization magic comes in. Navigate to the timeline and select your shaky video. Then, scan through the array of tools at the bottom until you spot the golden ticket, the Stabilize option. With a click, a trio of stabilization settings unfolds before you. Now here's the lowdown on these settings. Minimal cropping minimizes the crop applied to your video but offers modest stabilization. On the flip side, opting for most stable cranks up the stability but chops off more of your footage. So what's the sweet spot? The recommended setting strikes a balance, providing decent stabilization without sacrificing too much of your precious pixels. And there you have it, your shaky video transformed into a smoother, more watchable masterpiece, courtesy of Capcut on either your iPhone or Android device. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy editing!